Hi, it's Araceli with Dunmore's Boys and Girls Club. In today's activity, we are going to learn how to make a flower pen. To complete this activity, you will need duct tape of any pattern, a ruler to measure out your tape as needed, a pen of any kind, and a pair of scissors. To begin your flower pen, you will need to cut several pieces of duct tape that measure out to exactly 2.5 inches, as shown here in the video. Next, you will need to connect one corner of the opposite side to create a straight edge triangle-like shape to make sure you are leaving a sticky side on the back. For the final step, you will need to grab your pen and wrap your flower petal to the top of the pen. And just like that, you've completed your first petal, and you will continue until you're satisfied with your pen. And to see how I completed mine, please enjoy this following clip. And just like that, you've completed your flower pen. Thanks for watching.